Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to run and set your Google Ads CPC. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your ads.google.com. You want to log into your account. Alright, so on this page right here, on this campaign, you want to click on audience, keyword and content. Then you want to scroll down to advanced bid adjustment. Alright, so then you can select a campaign. So right here you can change your budget. Okay, so after that you want to click on more details. All right, so about this campaign, then you want to click on edit in settings. All right, so down here, this is where, all right, as you can see, you can also change your budget right here and then you save. So now for the CPC, to make some changes, all you have to do is just click on bidding. All right, so down here you can see maximum CPC bid limit. So you can then change your bid limit. So what this means is we have a $10 a day budget. All right, so we're gonna tell Google to make sure our maximum click bid limit should not be more than $5 a day. All right, so you set a maximum cost per limit, then you save. All right, so this is basically how to run and set up your CPC bid on Google Ads. All right, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.